Will he stay? All that deception. Because he couldn't bear to live without her.
And I take it back, all right? I take it all back, but not him! No, Janto.
The greener grass grows where the
So have you ever loved anyone
wildfires
that
fertilize
much?
with ashes of sparrows, peppered moths and butterflies, ghosts of trees and termites bloom in the beanstalk. And if you get lightheaded when standing too fast, is it from shaking out the weight of phosphenes and past salt deposits on warm little rivers that burst from our words? And God knows crying ain't gonna change a thing. She said take care, but I take more than I bring.
The girl you loved has gone.
She said
Your
it just
loyalty is to
feels
us now.
inhumane.
There's nothing left to lose. There's always something left to lose.
Cause when you leave, you know you take more than your love.
None of you is
Just
safe.
1 week of cicada days,
Come
we're
here.
losing touch.
What's happened to you?
And I know
Losing
it
me,
just feels
like a world
inhumane to lose this much.
Coming here gave me meaning again.
Our nerves were braided under ceiling stars that were all glow in the dark, hanging over queen-sized purple waves of
You've all gone through shit.
painted chemicals. Just
Seen you save so many lives. You're not even let this beat you.
Did you ever build with those endangered bones? Well, the ground looks soft enough to bury this now. Oh, please, oh no. And then my sponsor said, do nothing,
I think it was
nothing worse.
Stephen and Janto.
And then my doctor said, don't do that if it hurts.
Because of me.
It's all my fault.
She said it just feels inhumane to lose this
Don't speak safe.
much.
Janto,
Cause when you leave, you know you take more
Janto,
than
stay with
your
me.
love.
Janto, stay with me, please.
Stay with me, stay with me.
The seasons of cicada days we can make up. And I know it just feels inhumane to lose this much.
Yeah. I didn't suppose your kids back then.
Don't let me leave alone. It takes more than I gave. Okay, I'll pack my stuff. Here at the end, don't taste my God.
The end is where we're starting from.
Christ, now it feels damn inhumane.
Never again. It was a year's party. You will remember. Yes, I will. I promise. I will. Janto. Don't go. Don't leave me, please.